doing?
Good, man. You're like
Y'all broke something?
Yeah, you like 3 hours late, man. We didn't know you was coming.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. You know, the whole building. I'm the only contractor in the whole building, so.
Okay, so we have our sink is messed up.
Okay. Sink.
The refrigerator keeps running pretty loud.
Sink and a refrigerator. Okay.
There's something in the bathroom that you should be checking out too.
I don't do bathroom, but let's see here. This sink right here.
Yeah.
Water ain't getting hot. It's not a good thing. You can tell me about that.
Okay.
Okay. You don't mind if I see what we got going on?
Yeah, this nigga drinking all my drink.
Was this in here?
I don't know. You the contractor. Why is all these tools out?
Now who put this in here?
Don't
I think I put that in there.
Hey, you ever been drinking all our drink?
Man, tell this nigga make sure he fixes the bathroom.
You know, typically people will clean this area out if the sink is broke, so that I can move around. It's all right, don't worry about it. You Miss Cleo's nephew, ain't you? Is your name Jared?
No.
You look like Jared. Yeah, it's broke.
That's why we called you.
Yeah. Let's take a look in the fridge. Ooh, is that pie? You tell me you had pie. Mother, take me a slice before I leave, alright? It's dripping all over the place. I'm thinking it's a gasket issue. Some kind of gasket between the sink and the refrigerator. Y'all should have been called me. Y'all broke it, but we're gonna try to fix it. Now, it could be any gasket, so this is gonna take some time for me to figure out, and this is beyond what I typically would charge, so I'm probably gonna need about $13 in order to get the replacement gasket and figure out which one of these gaskets I'm replacing. You see how that water not getting hot? You see that pie in the fridge? Gotta be a gasket issue. I'm thinking it's gasket. All right, now I'm gonna make a call, get a replacement gasket, and we get you guys in straight. Now, once again, that's gonna be an additional $13 and a hell of a lot of work. So I'm gonna need a shot, man. Give me 1 second, right? Oh, wait!
Who recommended
Hey,
this?
what's going on, Barry?
I think it was that girl Keisha.
Nah, I ain't smart talk.
That's exactly why I
We don't
don't
say
for her
what?
or her family.
That nigga crazy.
And this nigga ain't.
Nah, I ain't doing nothing. I'm chilling. Chilling like some bitch.
Over here.
Motherfucker's house. Talking about that cold water don't work. Nigga, you know I told him I don't do bathrooms. How old is Gracie now? Oh, still ain't old enough yet. Damn. That little bitch bad. Yeah, got my feet kicked up. Hey, where y'all remote? Y'all watch Empire? I ain't seen the last episode yet. Can I get some of that pie?
It's time to go.
Oh, hold on
It's
now.
time to
God damn, y'all niggas strong. Hold on. Where's my $13?
What the hell?